Hey everyone, it's Ukulele Teacher here, and in today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Without Me by Halsey on the ukulele. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you get all notifications when I upload new ukulele tutorials, and make sure that you like the video and like all my other videos. As usual, make sure you have your uke and make sure it is in tune. These are the chords that you'll need for the song. If you already know all these chords, that is awesome, and you can skip to a later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. As usual, let's get on with the tutorial. The first chord that we're going to learn is a D minor. To play that, you put your first finger on the first fret of the third string, second finger on the second fret of the first string, and third finger on the second fret of the second string. The next chord is F major. This is first finger on the first fret of the third string, and second finger on the second fret of the first string. The next chord is going to be a C major. To play this, you put your third finger on the third fret of the fourth string. The next chord is going to be a G. This is second finger on the second fret of the fourth string, first finger on the second fret of the second string, and third finger on the third fret of the third string. The next chord is going to be a G minor. To play this, you put your first finger on the first fret of the fourth string, second finger on the second fret of the second string, and third finger on the third fret of the third string. The next chord is a B flat. To play this, you put your first finger on the first fret of the third string, second finger on the first fret of the fourth string, third finger on the second fret of the second string, and fourth finger on the third fret of the first string. So the strumming pattern for this song is down, pause, up, tap, pause, down, up, tap, pause, down, pause, up, tap, pause, down, up, tap. Putting it without the chords, it should sound like this. So again, we have down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap, pause, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, up, tap. So like I always do, I do have a demo of the lyrics down here. If you want to play or sing along, feel free to do any of those. So guys, I hope that this tutorial helped you learn Without Me by Halsey on the ukulele. If you liked the video, make sure to comment down below some other song tutorials that you want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.